Hello everyone, I am CS Anjana Mishra, working as the lead financial consultant at BISP Solutions, having 6 to 7 years of hands-on experience in most of the financial and accounting domains, with financial planning and analytical problem solving as my forte. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions worldwide. So we, as your tech partners, have a far-flung proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support in Oracle EPM solution stack. It includes S-based planning, budgeting, financial consolidation, and accounts reconciliation. We have served more than 35 countries across the globe with more than 50 projects delivered to happy customers. Today's session will be on cash clearing account reconciliation using the Oracle Account Reconciliation Cloud Service. Most of the companies across the globe put their hard efforts in manually reconciling the accounting books, and this process is performed, of course, on monthly basis, and in big companies, maybe bi-monthly. So, in most of the companies across the globe. And apart from this effort that is put in by your human capital, issues like incomplete information, limited visibility, security issues are also major concern in manually performing the reconciliation systems. So Oracle ARCS Cloud applications comes to the rescue of the companies by automating the reconciliation process with an effective management and comprehensively addressing the security and risk issues. So let us just start with our reconciliation overview of cash clearing account using the Oracle ARCS application. Cash clearing accounts are basically temporary general ledger accounts where those amounts are aggregated or parked for a time being until unless they are actually cleared, and they can be given an effect into your statements of bank or cash. So those are actually clearing count, and we are today using the treasury, that is the cash clearing account, where actually you have received a payment, so you park it and your cash clearing account temporarily until unless you verify the payment as per your customer, the invoice number, acknowledgement is made and actually deposited in your bank. So this is how your cash clearing accounts actually work. So basically, you can also say it as a standby account or a zero balance account, because at the end of your month or at the end of your week, however you process your bank cash accounts, so at the end of your week or your month, all these accounts come to a zero balance, where amounts that are aggregated in this account are either passed to the bank or cash or the customer, depending on how they have affected, whether they are acknowledged correctly, the invoices that were pertaining to them are correct. All of these, after looking at these, they are actually s- subjugated to a particular account. So today we'll be using the Oracle ARCS application, and as you can see, this is the format in which I'll be uploading my cash clearing account balance for the period of April 2019 on my Oracle ARCS application. So not wasting much time, let us just go to our application. So this is how my application looks at the time of me signing in as an administrator. So let me just show you the profile that I have created for reconciling my cash clearing account. This is the profile that I have created, and I have already informed that it will be a zero balance account. And of course, it is a cash account because it is a cash clearing account, and it is a balance sheet process. And most of the companies rate their cash and bank or clearing of cash and bank accounts as A rated, that is a highly risk involvement accounts. So I have also rated it as an high risk rated account, and this is my workflow where Mr. Frank Taylor will prepare the reconciliation, and Mr. Alex Smith will review or approve the reconciliation so performed by Mr. Frank Taylor, and I am performing this reconciliation on monthly basis. Let me just also show you the format that I have used. It is a zero balance account format that only takes into account the source system, and balance explanation or the adjustments as in what are the balance explanations, so that the account at the end of my month comes down to a zero balance account. So as I had already informed you that I'll be performing a reconciliation for the period April 2019. Now, as you can see here, April 2019 period is closed. That is, it is not open. So from the actions, I'm just going to set the status of my period for which I'm going to reconcile as open. Now, as you can see, it is turned from yellow to green. That means my reconciliation is open now. Now I am just going to upload the balance over this particular profile. This is the profile that I have created. As you can see, this is the profile that I have created, which contains my profile ID, currency code. That means the currency code can be USD, Euros, INR, GBP, whichever is your currency. Your ARCS actually provides us with three currency buckets, which is entered, functional, and reporting. That is a reported currency. So I am uploading a functional currency bucket balance. A functional currency in my case is USD, and the amount pertaining to that particular clearing account for the period April 2019 is 24,000 USD. Moving back to our reconciliation, I'm just going to upload the file. Balance type is the source system balance for the period April 2019, and a functional currency bucket in a comma delimited profile. So I'm just going to import it. So I have uploaded my balance. Now let us just create a reconciliation for that particular profile that we have created, and for which we need to perform the reconciliation. This was the profile. I'm going to select it and create a reconciliation for this particular profile for the period of April 2019. Reconciliations can also be created from the period tab, but since I only want to create a reconciliation and perform a reconciliation for this particular profile, so I found it more easier to just click the profile and create a reconciliation for that particular profile. As you can see, my profile has been successfully copied. That means a reconciliation has been successfully created for that particular profile. Now I'm just going to go to my reconciliations tab. Change the period here. The period here showing is June 2019. I want to create reconciliation for April 2019. Now I'm just going to look at the reconciliation that yeah. So my reconciliation is now open with the preparer, and reconciliation has been created. Now it needs to be performed and approved. As you can see, this is the system balance that we have uploaded using the CSV file. Now, Mr. Frank Taylor is our preparer for this particular for this particular reconciliation. So I'm just going to, as I'd already informed you in the starting, that we have signed in as an administrator. Now I am going to sign out as an administrator and sign in as Mr. Frank Taylor, who is the preparer of my reconciliation, and I'm going to perform this reconciliation. I'm going to sign out as an administrator from here and sign in as Frank Taylor. So I have just signed in as Frank Taylor, who is the preparer for that particular reconciliation of my organization. Period again here is showing 2019. I'm going to change my period and bring it to April 2019, for which I need to perform the reconciliation. I am just going to go to my particular reconciliation, that is the clearing account reconciliation that I have. I'm going to just clear the filters. There has been a filter applied here by Mr. Frank Taylor. He might be performing some reconciliation. So Oracle ARCS also provides me with this easement of actually filtering my reconciliation based on my choices, as in what kind of accounts, which account I need to perform the reconciliation for. And I can just filter it out so that all, like if I've got 100 of reconciliations to be created, I can filter the reconciliation based on my preferences and perform the reconciliation on based on the preferences, based on the accounts. It can be anything. The filter is there are, you can have infinity filters you can apply on ARCS application. So coming back to our reconciliation, as you can see, I have a 24,000 balance standing into my clearing account, and it needs a balance explanation. So I am just going to go to my balance explanation tab, provide explanation like cash account cleared or something. It totally depends on what kind of explanation that you have, that all the amounts that have been received have been acknowledged, they've been verified, um, or whatever. So the long description is all the amounts have been verified and deposited, and I'm just going to provide the amount of 24,000 USD functional currency out here and save it. So I have just performed an reconciliation. As you can see into my summary here, now there are no unexplained differences, no balance difference or adjustment that needs to be done, and I have reconciled my uh, clearing account. And after this, I am going to submit it to the reviewer. Now, as you can see, it is open with Alex Smith, who is the reviewer for my this particular reconciliation. Mr. Alex Smith is going to review and approve the reconciliation and close it for that particular period. So this is how easily I can perform a reconciliation into my Oracle ARCS without much time. I have just reconciled my clearing account in not in just 5 to 10 minutes. So this is how we perform a reconciliation at uh, Oracle ARCS. And in case of any questions that you have regarding Oracle ARCS, or any consultation is required by you from our side, we'd be happy to help you. You can reach out to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.